All right, I'm packing solo deep into this canyon for a couple days, and we're gonna find some bears. Let's go. All right, camp is set. Let's get up to the glassing spot. Glassing spot and made some lunch. Been glassing for a little while and still haven't picked anything out, but on my way up here I noticed there was a wolf pack that's been running this north side, and the tracks probably look like they were from this morning or yesterday because they were melted out, and they looked like they were about the size of a big grizzly bear track, so it made the hair on my neck stand up a little bit. But yeah, no bears yet. The weather's perfect. We got overcast and it's probably 40 or 50 degrees. Those big Canadian wolves are probably going to wipe these moose out. I've noticed their numbers have been going down and down every year, so they're probably in here killing the last few off and finishing them off before they work out to a new area, so that's a bummer. But I talked to a guy that was in here in the summer, and he was in this middle zone, and he said he saw a ton of fresh bear shit. So I think once we killed the Dark Knight, I think some other bears moved in, and I'm super curious to see what pops out tonight, and hopefully a new boar came in. And yeah, I'd like to see the chocolate again just to see it's still alive. Glassing for about 5 hours and still haven't picked out a bear, but I did some gridding with the spotting scope and I found 2 sets of tracks. One in the avalanche chute in the same spot the Dark Knight crossed, and then another one just to the right in some really lush green that I've actually seen a lot of bear shit in. Yeah, they look like bear tracks. They could be wolf tracks, but I'm gonna be optimistic, so hopefully they're bear tracks. Day 2, and I pushed up canyon another 1.5 miles, so I'm about 6.5 miles in, and I've just been walking and checking all these avalanche chutes as I work my way up, seeing if I can't pick out a bear. But the spot I was trying to go to glass today, I can't make it without snowshoes. I'm busting up to my knees and my waist sometimes, so it's super deep. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep glassing and fly the drone a little bit, get some awesome video of some of these sweet avalanche slides. So yeah, I don't know if I can really consider this a bear hunting video because it doesn't have any bears, so it's pretty much just a camping video. So yeah, hopefully we turn one up, but I don't know where they're at, so